We're here in downtown Staunton at the parking garage. We've got an old Dover elevator.
Historic downtown map.
Yep, over here you can actually see the kind of creek that runs through town here. Just this little section is exposed. And over here, get a view of downtown. But we're here to see the elevator, so let's take a look at the elevator. Is it downstairs or here?
Downstairs.
All right, you get to watch it come up, so here we go.
And now it's here.
Dover traction. And unfortunately the G level is locked right now. Doing construction. That's it.